Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, April 4th, and this is my analysis for the Euro Yen. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do make sure you check out my free Discord trading community, link down here in the corner at the end of the video. And don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com. So, anyways, the yen pairs, some of the yen pairs look like they just turned back down and they're going to keep going down. Some of the yen pairs look like they're going up. So, we definitely have a little bit of lost correlation going on here. I mean, the euro yen to me still looks like a possible A, a possible B, and we're likely in a wave C. Like I've been saying this week, the 100% would be a really likely target if it is a wave C. So, if it does go down there, if it does turn back up, then it probably would make for a really nice long. But I think because of the loss of correlation and because of the JPY basket, I'd be a little bit cautious with my longs. If it just bounces and it looks very corrective, and then it makes an impulsive move down, you probably just want to continue to look for shorts just in case it really does make a much bigger pullback or really just turn down. My higher time frame analysis is still bullish on this one, but like I said, some of the other yen pairs, like the pound yen, really look like they could potentially just keep on going down. The euro yen does look like it potentially needs to go up, so I'm going to stick to my analysis on the euro yen, which is that we're likely in a wave C to the uptrend, probably an ABC of wave 2, and this is probably a wave 1. So definitely keep an eye out for your fib levels, especially those key Fibonacci levels where a correction could possibly end. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.